Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Andre, your coach. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give you a quick little walkthrough with the back office of Legendary Marketer so you guys can know exactly how it's done, where everything is, because I know when you come back here, you don't know. So this is going to be a very short video, so pay close attention as I go through it. So when you log on, you log in. This is the back office here. Of course, you can reach me anytime over here or reach any one of your coaches. Then you have the 15 course of you went through. Some of you probably still on number 6, but make sure you go through the videos, and there's always notes under every single video, so you want to do that. Then you have the Marketer's Club. In the Marketer's Club, this is where you have all the training. Now, most people try to go learn Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. You want to pick one and focus on it. So if it's Facebook, you got 3 Facebook training. You have this one, and this one. Then of course, if it's YouTube, you want to go learn YouTube, check out this one into YouTube. Now, there's no other system out there that have so much training inside of it other than Legendary. So you want to go here, you go on Instagram training as well. So make sure you go through the Instagram training, all right? So there's a course that I want you to go through as well. Go through course number 8, course 3, and course number 4. That way it keeps, this is a business, and you want to keep track of how many how your traffic is going, how leads and sales and everything. So all this right here, you want to know about. So make sure you go through it. Again, as you see, you click on it. Look at that, tons of training. So much training in here that unbelievable. I think people should be paying way more for this, but Legendary is awesome. So you're paying like a $30 a month. But if you're the builder class, you get all the builder, you have tons of training, you get the more advanced training as you go along. Then you have the traffic Rolodex. In the traffic Rolodex area, you have people who are advertisers. Let's say, for example, you open a restaurant and you want to put it in a newspaper, you want to put it on the radio and all that other stuff. Because if you can have the best system in the world, if nobody knows about it, nobody's going to buy anything, right? So you want to come here. And these 2 guys are highly recommended. Of course, they're like the top notch in the game. So top notch in the game comes with top notch prices. Then you have Udemy, and Udemy is like the Walmart of, I always call it the Walmart of solo ad. There's a bunch of different solo ad vendors in there that sells for different price. So if you're someone on a budget, you can come here as well. And again, these guys are not going to promise you anything. It's just like an advert. You put a house for sale in the newspaper, nobody's going to buy it. You can't blame the newspaper, right? You can't blame these people. They'll guarantee you sending you customers. They will send you customers. But of course, some customers take a while before they actually go to become a paying customer. So be aware of that. And then you have the book. If you plan on getting the book, feel free to check out the book. Now, let's dive into the My Business era. In the My Business era, you have communication, you have payments, you have community, you have email lists, and then you finish. Payments, you want to set up your e-wallet. Community, make sure you're a part of the Facebook group, all right? Email lists, this is where you set up the Sendlane. And for now, I wouldn't focus on Sendlane because that's a whole different level right now. But if you're just starting off, don't focus on Sendlane right now. Your main focus is to just get people to your link, because this, you could set it up, and then what happens is Sendlane will start to send out emails on your behalf. So that's how it works. But let's say your links. Everybody want to go get the links. Where's my link? Where's my link? Everybody wants their link. So here's your affiliate link. This is how you're going to advertise. So customers going to come to your affiliate link and start to get inside of your system. So now let's come here. And you opt in, and then you have this right here. So you want to grab the affiliate link, not the sales funnel, not this one. This is more of the advanced level when you're going to create your own custom, unique landing page and all that other stuff. But if you're brand new to this, don't worry about this. Mainly focus on this. So you come here and you focus on this. And if you got the book and you want to use the book funnel, once someone buys the book for $9.95, the book is free. But once they pay for the shipping, they automatically become a member, and the coach is going to get on the phone and they're going to speak to them on the phone. But let's say you're ready to go promote. You're ready to get the ready to promote and ready to go, right? You will grab the affiliate link. So you'd copy this entire thing, and then you go and start to promote, whether it's going to be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whichever platform you want to go on, or you want to go buy some traffic. Now, let's say here, this is what's called a tracking tag. Now, the tracking tag itself, you want to put, let's say, Facebook. The reason why you want to put tracking tag, because a tracking tag, then you could keep track of exactly how everything works, right? It's going to keep track of how everything works. And then you're going to click on stats. And then when you look on stats, you're going to see all your stats keeps coming up. It's loading right now, but you're going to see like, yeah, so you will see this. See, I tag all this so I know where my clicks are coming from. That's my welcome email. If you don't tag it, this is what's going to show up. You're going to see default. And that's the last thing you want to do. So make sure you track everything because it's a business. So let's say you're ready to go and you want to use our blog for you service, right? I'm going to type in legendarymarketer.com. You want to use the blog for you service because we have a free blog for you service that you can also put a ID on it. So here is the website, legendarymarketer.com. This is the website. So you can even like someone say, hey, you know, what's your company's website? You can click on here, right? Let me go here first and show you. So the end of this affiliate link, you know, from here, from the question mark, AID, and the number, you want to copy this. You want to go here, right? Let's say someone say, hey, what's your company's website? This is the website. You put slash, I call it a slash, and then you paste it. So this is your ID number. Now, this is my number. Don't use my number. Use someone else's number, all right? Because otherwise, don't use someone else's number. I apologize. Use your number because everybody have their own unique ID number. Your number is probably going to be in the 5 zeros and up. Mine is here. So you want to make sure you use your own because if you use mine, if you use this one, I'm going to be getting the credit for it. So if someone asks you, be like, yeah, here's my company's website. So that means if someone come here and start to read and they go through all the notes and they decide to buy something, guess what? You're going to get the credit. Just like our blog for you service. Our blog for you service is absolutely free. Right? When you click on it, click on the blog for you service and you have all these, right? You have all these stuff. You know, wake up call as well is there. You can send people that affiliate link for the wake up call. You can send all these stuff. So let's say you want to send one of these blogs. You know, you click on this, ready to blog. So you click on it, you pull up the full blog and you'd be like, hey, here's some free training, right? Because some people like to see a little bit stuff before they get in. At the end of the link, see, I'm going all the way to the end. See that? At the end of the link, you want to put that question mark AID equal number sign. So again, you want to grab this, put it on here, and then you copy the entire thing. Now, if you want to shorten this, there's a thing called Bitly, right? There's a website called Bitly, bitly.com. So on bitly.com, this is what you can shorten it. So this is one of my affiliate links. It became that short. So you can copy the blog done for you system, put it here, and then copy that link. And if someone be like, hey John, hey Mary, what's that you got going on there? And you'd be like, hey, you want to check out what we have going on? You could send it to them. They can read it. So if they decide to join you, right? If they decide to join you, you will get the credit for it. Now, there's 45-day emails when you use this. So if you use this affiliate link, the company is going to send 45 days of email to these people on your behalf. Most people get, you know, they get 5 leads, they get 100 leads, and they say, well, you know, I've been getting a ton of leads and nobody's buying. What you guys don't realize that not everything is for everybody. So your main focus is to get as many people inside the system as possible. That's why you see all the other people in the Facebook group are getting those huge commissions, right? Because if you didn't decide to upgrade, right? And if someone upgrades under you, let's say you go out and start promoting, and if you didn't decide to upgrade to the builder, if someone comes through you, through these emails, and they decide the company is going to pay you the $18 for the person because you're at the $18 level. But if you did not upgrade, then what's going to happen is that person decide, hey, I want to take my business serious. They upgrade. Guess what? the person who brought you in, they get the $1,000. So it's going to pass up to them. So I'm sure you know by now, it's just a fair warning that you could still go out there and make money, but do keep in mind that if someone upgrades, you don't get the money. All right. Again, then you have the banner ads. You have banner ads here. If you know somebody with a website, these videos, they don't put them all over YouTube, but you can put them on your website. You can put them on your landing page if you want to go advance and create your own stuff. You have the ad copy. You can copy all this, all the ad copy. Just be aware that these links, again, due to Facebook policy, you just got to be careful. Facebook doesn't like this app, so you got to word it a different way. So instead of going on Facebook and advertise, especially when you put up this huge, you're paying for Facebook ads. If you do Facebook ads and you be like, I can show you how to make $500 in whatever days, you're actually, you can't do that kind of stuff. You could be like, I can show you how to build a successful online business. So you see the difference between make money and online business. So you want to make sure you know what you're doing when you go on. And the email copy, you got email copy here, all the email copy, you got the inspirational copy. And if you're going through them and they said, hey, you need to get some links for the specific things, you go email support. You go to support@legendary.com and it will send you all the information. And it's the same thing with the book link. You come with the book link, you always want to tag it. If you're going to go on Instagram, you put that one on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is. It's not going to affect anything. You're just going to keep track of how it is. And then when you start to get leads, when you look back here, you'll see a ton of leads. You will see your members as well when they come in. And you will see your stats. You'll see your stats when it comes in. Stats is moving a little slow today, yeah. So you put in the stats, you got your commission, you got your payments, you can go check that out. And again, there's lots more in here, but just go through them. Take your time, pace yourself, and just remember, you can go out there and you could start market right away. So, do keep in mind when you market, just go out there. Just go out there, do the right thing. And again, it's just an experience as you go along. So just market, and I hope this video helps. I know I blasted through this video. I didn't have a lot of time, so hope you guys enjoy this. And this is the Legendary Marketer Back Office Tour. Hope you enjoy this and have a great day. Bye for now.